Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable touchpad in Windows 10 PC. So friends, to disable touchpad on Windows PC there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, click on start. Now type touchpad settings. This one. So click on touchpad settings. Now friends, if you want to disable, so just toggle to off position. You want to disable, so turn off, select to off position. So touch will be disabled on your Windows PC. So someone try to touch on laptop on your Windows PC, so it will be not able. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method you can disable and turn off touchpad on Windows 10 PC. If you want to enable, so just toggle to on position. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.